Sup everyone, this is Elijah from Financial Anatomy, and we're coming at you with another video that will help you take control of your financial destiny. Y'all know we talk about apps that involve money, personal finance, and credit cards every now and then. And in this video, we're going to be covering how you can deposit cash physically into your Chime account. Obviously, you will need the Chime banking app first, so make sure you have that downloaded. Assuming you have that downloaded, you want to open it up. And from here, you want to click on Move Money. Once clicked, you'll see an option that says Deposit Cash. Go ahead and click on it, and you'll see a barcode. This barcode can be scanned at any of the places that Chime is partnered with to actually deposit cash. But before we get into that, we want to find out exactly what businesses is Chime partnered with. So you want to click on See Locations Near Me. And once you click that, a map will be revealed. All you had to do is click on one of these icons, like Walgreens for instance. Then click on See Details, and it'll let you know exactly when is the store open, where it's located, and most importantly, it'll let you know if it has what's known as fee-free cash deposits. That means if you go to one of these locations, you'll be able to deposit money for free. There are other locations that you can go to on this map that may not have fee-free, but you can still go there. But be warned that if you do deposit cash using one of those, the fee is usually between $3 to $5, which is kind of steep. Backing out of that, once you get to the store, just let the cashier know that you're a Chime customer and you wish to deposit money, and then show them this barcode. They will scan it, and then you give them the cash, and it'll be reflected in your account within the next 30 minutes to an hour. Sometimes it might be a little sooner. Another way you can do this is by clicking on Deposit with Card, and as long as you have your Chime debit card or the Chime credit builder card on you, you'll be able to use your card to deposit money instead of showing them the barcode. Ultimately, it doesn't matter though, it's whichever one you prefer. And that does it for the video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to check out our Chime playlist if you want to know more about how to do certain things with Chime. Like this video if you found value in it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you in the next video. And of course, be sure to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.